Have you noticed protein products everywhere lately? Protein coffee, protein snacks, protein ice cream. This is not just a food trend. It is becoming a multi-billion-dollar global industry. Today, you will learn business English through a real global business topic, the growing high-protein food market. Have you noticed how many food products now advertise high-protein content?
Yes, it seems like protein is becoming a major marketing focus in the food industry.
Exactly. What started as nutrition products for athletes has now entered mainstream markets.
And it's not just supplements anymore. Protein is now added to everyday foods and drinks.
The high-protein food market is expanding rapidly worldwide.
That's right. Market research shows strong growth projections over the next decade.
What factors are driving this growth?
There are several reasons, including increased health awareness and fitness culture.
Many consumers now focus more on nutrition and healthy lifestyles.
Yes, protein helps with muscle maintenance, energy levels, and overall health.
Social media also plays a role by promoting fitness trends and dietary habits.
Food companies are responding quickly by developing new protein products.
I recently heard about protein-enhanced coffee drinks.
Yes, some companies are experimenting with combining traditional beverages with nutritional supplements.
Some companies are even changing their product strategies.
Exactly. Businesses are pivoting toward healthier product options to attract younger consumers. Exactly. Businesses are pivoting toward healthier product options to attract younger consumers.
That helps companies remain competitive in changing markets.
North America is currently the largest market for protein foods.
But Asia-Pacific markets are growing faster.
Yes, especially due to rising health awareness and expanding e-commerce platforms.
Are there any concerns about the protein trend?
Yes, some experts warn that excessive protein consumption may cause health risks.
There are also supply challenges as companies try to maintain product quality.
To solve supply issues, companies are experimenting with alternative protein sources.
Such as plant-based proteins.
Exactly. Ingredients like hemp and sunflower protein are becoming popular.
It sounds like the protein industry has strong future growth potential.
Yes, it has transformed from a niche market into a global business opportunity.
Let's review important business English vocabulary from today's lesson. Fortified means strengthened by adding extra nutrients or features. Example, many cereals are fortified with vitamins and minerals. Pivot, a major change in business strategy or direction. Example, the company pivoted toward healthier product development. Experiment with, to try new ideas or methods. Example, companies are experimenting with new protein ingredients. Tap into, to access or use new opportunities or markets. Example, businesses are tapping into growing health trends. Excessive, too much of something. Example, excessive consumption can create health risks.
The global protein food market is growing because of health awareness, fitness culture, social media influence, product innovation, global market expansion. Understanding these global business trends helps improve professional English communication.
If you want to improve your English through real business topics and global industry discussions, subscribe to J Learning Hub. And here is today's discussion question. Do you think high-protein foods are a long-term global trend or just temporary? Write your opinion in the comments.